us, O Lord, in this sacred space. Together we gather, upheld by your grace, from distant shores and lands afar. We come as one, just as we are, with grateful hearts and steady hands. We rise to serve where purpose stands. Bless this assembly, Lord, we pray, with guiding light to lead our way. Unite our minds, our hopes, our flame, to honor your name. We welcome leaders brave and true, with hearts committed, strong and new. Bless all our dreams, both near and wide, scholarship, service, and PNU.